Alright, this is the boot edge that needs to be extended, and has to come out at least a ½ inch further. So I've feathered it off, as you can see. If I can lift it up without dropping it, and I've feathered it off, and I will be building it up, and that will be next. So for now, that's as far as I've got with that bit. Right, okay, with some cardboard, I've just hot glue gunned it on to the underside, and just put a few vertical bits on just to stiffen it up, the cardboard. And the idea is that this will give me a surface to lay cloth on here, or matting, and then fiberglass onto the top, and create a wider lip. Later on, remove this cardboard, throw that away, and then glass it on the other side so that it will create a overlapping fiberglass edge, which hopefully will be nice and strong. I will show you that when I've done it. So there we go. Cheers.